You tell yourself it's just $100, just a small amount, just this month. You're sitting there right now doing the math in your head. Rent, bills, groceries, that one thing you've been wanting all week, and the future feels far away. So you say, I'll start when I make more. You always do. Every month looks the same. Money comes in, money goes out. You work, you scroll, you rest, you repeat. You're not reckless. You're not irresponsible. You just live. Small comforts after long days, tiny rewards for surviving the week. You deserve them. But deep down, there's that quiet whisper. You could be building something. Instead, you're maintaining everything. Years pass like this. Not dramatic, not disastrous, just average. And average is dangerous because it doesn't hurt enough to change. It just numbs you slowly. You look around one day and realize nothing is wrong, but nothing is different either. And that's when the regret creeps in. Not loud, not angry, just a quiet question. What if I had started earlier? The truth is, you were never the problem. The villain was comfort, the routine, the idea that tomorrow is guaranteed, the lie that small amounts don't matter. Comfort doesn't attack you, it hugs you, tells you to relax, tells you there's time, and time listens. But here's the truth. The man who invested $100 a month for 20 years wasn't smarter than you. He wasn't richer. He wasn't lucky. He just decided he was the kind of person who invests even when it felt small, even when it felt pointless. He didn't wait to feel ready. He acted like his future mattered now. And this is where everything changes. It was never about the money. It was about identity. Every month he proved something to himself. I keep promises. I think long-term. I don't negotiate with comfort. That discipline compounded before the money ever did, month after month, year after year. While others upgraded their lifestyle, he upgraded his standards. While others delayed, he decided. 20 years later, the number in his account was shocking. But that wasn't the real result. The real result was freedom. Freedom to say no. Freedom to walk away. Freedom to choose. Because discipline is self-respect in action. It's telling your future self, I've got you. It's control in a world designed to distract you. It's power built quietly. No applause, no validation, just consistency. You don't need a windfall. You don't need perfect timing. You need to decide who you are. Are you someone who waits or someone who builds? Because 20 years will pass anyway. The question is simple. When they do, will you be looking at what you built or what you spent?